Hello everyone, this is Aman Keshka and the topic for our project is Medical Store Management Software. In this project, we have created a software which has three modules. First is for addition of the products, second is for updation of the products, third includes the billing system. We have created this software using Python tkinter, and for database, we have used SQLite 3. The reason we chose this topic is that in today's world, this situation due to COVID-19, the necessity of medication got a boost. Medical stores were on a high demand for medicines. So, to make it easier for managing the stock and maintaining record of bills, there came the importance of store management software that could handle these things, maintain records so that the store could work efficiently. This is software developed by us which is capable of managing products from store/inventory, like adding or updating products, and also can generate the bill and print the bill for that particular order and save a record of it in a software. Now let's see the addition of the products in the database. Now this is the addition of the product tab or the entry module. So here are the different tabs for addition of the products. The first one is product name. The second is stock, the amount of the stock which is present in the database, the cost of that product, the selling price of that product, vendor from which we received the product, and the vendor phone number, and the product ID. Now, the every product in the database has its own unique ID, and this software works on that unique ID. So now let's add a product. The stock would be 100, cost price would be 10 rupees, selling price would be 20 rupees. So the vendor from which we received will be Sham Medico. Vendor phone number, will input the phone number, and the product ID is 8. Now here, as we can see, the ID has reached up to 7, which means there are 7 products in the database. And now the next one which we will add will be the 8th ID product. So here are the two buttons, which is clear all and new entry. Now if we press the new entry button, this pops up, successfully added to the database. Okay, and here again it is said that inserted surgical mask into the database with the code 8. Now if we want to clear all, we can press this button and everything is cleared, and now we can again add one more product. So this is the entry tab. Now let's move on to the updation of the products. So now here is the updation tab. Now as you can see, there are again few tabs for the updation of the product ID. The first is enter ID. The enter ID tab is the tab in which we have to give that unique ID for that particular product. So now as you can see in the text box, there is this text written as 1 crocin, which means 1 is the ID for crocin, second Vicks, and so on. Now if we want to change something, let's take the surgical mask. So the ID for the surgical mask is 8. Now let's search, then the information of that product is shown here: product name, stock available, cost price, selling price, total selling price, total cost price, vendor name, and vendor phone number. Now if we want to change the stock from 100 to 150, we can change the stock from 100 to 150, and we'll press the update button, and as you can see, the database is updated. Okay, now if we want to see if the database is updated or not, we can press 8. As you can see, the stock available is now 150. So this is the updation tab. Now let's move forward towards the billing system of this software. So here is the billing system or billing module of this software. So if a customer has taken a product, there is this sheet of ID from which the manager can refer. So if he takes crocin, so the product ID for crocin is 1. So let's search. So crocin, and here is the price displayed. So now if he takes 20 pieces, 20, so add to cart. So here as you can see, the crocine is added under the products column. Under the quantity column, the quantity is added and the total amount is added. So here the total is 400. So now if he wants to add one more product, so if the product ID is 2, search Vicks. So the Vicks, the quantity the customer took is 10, and if you want to give him a discount of 50, so add to cart. So here with the discount of 50, the product is added in this section and the total is updated. So now here's the given amount. So the given amount is the amount given by the customer. So if he gave us 1000 rupees, so here's the button to calculate the change. So the change will be rupees 50. So now we can generate the bill. So here done everything smoothly, and then the bill is printed. So as I don't have the printer right now, so I cannot show you by printing the bill, but here is the invoice folder in the computer, and as you can see these are the bills generated earlier, and here's the time. So the bill which we generated recently is this bill. So here's the bill. So crocine quantity 20, amount 400, Vicks quantity 10, amount 550. The total, visit us again. Here's the name, the address, the phone number, and the date. So this is a complete project, and this project was created by the three of us, Asmita Kulkarni, Aman Keskar, and Jinendra Kulkarni. Thank you.